Hi there. In this video, we will show you how you can integrate Scylla Asteria AI appliance with VMS. Asteria can be connected with cloud dashboard or a full-fledged VMS system with full integration with Scylla VMS, GI system, two-way speakers, camera control, live view, etc. This is the most robust interface for edge devices on the market. Here is an example of managing Asteria devices from a single user interface and navigating to a specific camera location on the map for live view. Now, to configure the VMS integration, navigate to Asteria dashboard and add the integration. Next, import a camera from the VMS. Create an event rule that will send the alarm to the VMS once a detection occurs. Back to VMS, configure external service in the VMS console app to accept the incoming alarms from Asteria. Add an event to link it to the incoming alarm from Asteria. Configure the rule in the VMS to trigger actions when the event occurs. Now, when the alarm is received from Asteria, the VMS triggers an alarm bookmark. The map pops up and it highlights the camera on the map. Clicking on the alarm record opens the playback window showing the detection. To configure Scylla monitor integration that triggers automatic actions on the VMS client, navigate to Asteria dashboard, add the integration, choose actions to be triggered in the VMS client. It is possible to configure multiple actions at once. In this case, 2 different pop-up actions. As a result of this integration, the live view pops up when the detection occurs.